Hi there, my spectacular speakers. Are you ready to take your public speaking game to the next level? Well, you come to the right place because this is the Sensational Speakers Lounge show. Every Thursday, I go live at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time to share tips and inspiration to help you become a confident, captivating speaker. I'm Deborah Northcutt, your speaker support concierge. So grab your favorite beverage, be it coffee, be it soda, be whatever your favorite beverage is, put on your comfy pants and get ready for a wild ride. This is the Sensational Speakers Lounge show. So let's begin. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to be reliable using social media as a speaker. Now, let me ask you a couple of questions. Are you using social media inconsistently? Do you post for a week and then go ghost? I have to raise my hand on that one because I've been guilty of that, posting and going ghost. And are you actually being social on social media? Now, today I'm going to talk about how using social media and being reliable can help you to get known. First of all, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments what city and what state that you're watching from. I'd love to know so I can interact with you as I'm doing my live. And thank you so much for joining me today. If you have any questions or comments, make sure that you leave them. I think I said this, but make sure you leave your questions and comments in the comments, and I'll make sure that I answer them and we can interact with one another. And feel free to share this with another speaker who might get value from what I'm talking about here today on live, and share it with your friends and your fans. If you're watching the replay of the live, you can also leave your questions and comments in the comment box, and I'll make sure that I circle back around and answer your questions and your comments. Now, I have a free gift for you. It's a checklist of 24 money making activities that I can do for you. Now, the description of my free gift is in the live, but I also put it up here on the screen. It's bit.ly/support activities. Once again, that's bit.ly/support activities. Now, let's discuss what I'm going to be talking about today in today's live. I'm going to be talking about why you need to be consistent in your posting. And that is so important of you being consistent here in social media. Why you should be sharing valuable information, and also why you need to be transparent with your posting. Now, as a speaker, it's important to understand the power of social media in building and maintaining your audience's trust. In today's digital age, social media has become a crucial tool for speakers to connect with their audience, promote their events, and share your message. Now, here are five, count them, one, two, three, four, five tips on how to be reliable using social media as a speaker. Tip number one, be consistent in your posting. Your audience wants to see regular content from you. Make sure that you're posting regularly on your social media accounts and keep your content fresh and relevant. And when someone does respond to your post, make sure that you respond back. Even if you say, "Thanks for stopping by," or "I appreciate you coming here on my post and posting." Just make sure that you give a response to people. People want to be recognized when they post on your social media sites. Now, I have to admit, I was guilty in the past of people coming on my social media sites and posting information, and I never responded back to anybody who posted on my site. Well, what happened with that? People stopped coming and posting on my site because I never recognized them. And as a speaker, you want to return the post. You also always want to return people's comments when they come on your site. You can go on their site, find a post that you like, and comment on that. It's called being social. That's the social part of social media. And it took me a while to realize that. And you better believe that now, when people come on my site and they comment on my sites, I make sure that I respond and I go on their site and I respond on their sites. People love that. It's being social. And the more you do that, the more people will respond on your site, on your posts. Now, you also want to respond to comments and messages in a timely manner. You don't have to respond right away. I'm not saying that as soon as you see somebody who's responded on your site, you have to just jump up and make a comment, and I do that. That's what I do, but you don't have to do it. I'm saying that make sure that you comment within an hour. You don't want to wait until the next day and comment on someone's post that they made on your site, but make sure that you try to get in there and comment. I'll say within an hour to let people know that you saw them, that you like what they posted on your site, and you respect them for doing that. So you always want to comment back. This shows that you care about your audience and you're willing to engage with them. And that's what social media is about. It's about engagement. You don't have to post every day on your site to be consistent, but you want to be consistent. Make up your mind, or choose, I should say, choose how many times a week you want to post on social media. If you want to post 5 days a week, that's fine. If you want to post 3 days a week, that's fine. Even 2 days a week is fine. But the key is being consistent with your posting. Now, you can use a social media posting tool like Buffer, Hootsuite, Later, Meet Edgar, Tailwind. They have so many social media posting tools out here for you to choose from. Just find one that you like and use it. That's the key. Use it. What you want to do is you want to go on that social media tool and load up that tool with your post. Like I said, if it's 2 days, I'm just going to use 2 days as an example. So go into Hootsuite and post your 2 day social media post for the whole month. And that way, your posts are going to be going out regularly as you set it up for whatever time you set it up for, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, and it's going to send that post out consistently for you. But you want to keep an eye out for who's commenting on your post once your posts go out. Like I said, you definitely want to comment on the posts that people have made on your social media site. Now, like I said, you can set up a month's worth of posting so you don't have to manually go out there and do it yourself. Tip number two, share valuable information. You want to share tips, insights, and information that your audience can use to improve their lives. This will help establish you as an expert in your field and increase your visibility and your reliability too. By posting valuable information on social media, it can help you establish yourself as a credible source of knowledge in your field and increase your visibility and your reach. It can help in creating a community that is interested in the same topic, and it creates a platform for discussion and feedback. And you definitely want to have a community. It can also help you to grow your personal or professional brand and generate leads or sales. Now, you don't want to get on social media and just constantly promote your promote your information or your items that you have for sale, saying buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. No, you also want to get on social media and be social. Social media, like I said before, is a powerful tool if you use it correctly. Now, tip number three, you want to engage with your audience. Social media can help a speaker engage with their audience in a number of ways. One is through the use of live streaming platforms such as Facebook Live, like I'm doing right now, Instagram Live, or YouTube Live. You can even go live on LinkedIn. So choose the platform that you want to go live with. It will allow you, the speaker, to interact with viewers in real time and respond to their comments and questions. Social media also allows speakers to share their message more widely by sharing links to their presentations or videos on various platforms, which makes it easier for audiences to access and engage with your content. Additionally, social media can be used to build a community around a topic or a speaker by creating a group or a page where followers can connect and continue the conversation. Social media can also help a speaker to share more detailed information, and it also can help you to create a relationship with the audience through personal connection, such as direct messages or social media groups. Also, you can use polls to which allows you the audience to ask questions and provide feedback. Now, I use polls a lot in my support for spectacular Facebook group. By using polls, it helps me to get information on things that people are concerned with, people care about, or just get people's opinions on certain things. Tip number four. Oh, I see two people have joined me. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I don't know who you are because I can't see your names in the comment box, but thank you for joining me. Tip number three, I think this is I'm on. Be transparent. You want to share your struggles and successes with your audience. This will help build trust and make you more relatable. When you come on social media and you share your wins and your losses, and everyone has them, including myself, it does help people to see you more as a person. It helps you to open up and for people to get to know, like, and trust you. Being transparent means being honest and open about your beliefs, your actions, and your intentions, which can help establish a speaker as a reliable and trustworthy source of information. Additionally, transparency on social media can help a speaker connect with their audience on a more personal level, as it allows them to share their thoughts and experiences in a more authentic and relatable way. Now, I'm gonna jump back on what I was talking about being consistent. I should have elaborated on that a little bit more. Now, me, Deborah Northcutt, I was not consistent on social media. I was going live consistently on social media for 1 year straight, and then I stopped. And the reason why I stopped is I had nobody watching me. So I felt like I'm here on social media giving out all this great information, and nobody is even listening to what I'm talking about. So I stopped. And let me tell you, by stopping, it's harder to get started again. It took me a long time to come back here on Facebook Live and go live again to be seen for visibility. Don't do that. No matter what, be consistent in your post, be consistent as you're going live, just be consistent, period. Even if nobody's watching, put your information out there, be consistent, and keep going. Don't do what I did. Don't get out here on social media and be consistent for a year and then just get tired and stop. Don't do that. Be consistent always. So, tip number 5, use social media to promote your events. You want to share information about upcoming events and make sure to include all relevant details. I'm going to take my free gift down. Now, this will help your audience know when and where to find you. A speaker can promote their upcoming events on social media by creating and sharing engaging content, that highlights your event, such as a teaser video or images, or providing information about the event's date, the location, and the topic. Also, you want to use hashtags for people to find you and to find out about your event. And create a dedicated event page on platforms like Facebook or what's that other thing? Event Manager, Eventbrite. That's the name. Eventbrite. Eventbrite is a great place to go on, and it's free to create a dedicated page for people to find out about your upcoming event. Additionally, you can collaborate with the industry leaders or influencers to reach a larger audience and interact with their followers by responding to comments and messages. It's a good idea to post reminders leading up to your event to keep it on top of mind for those who have expressed an interest in your event. Now, I'm going to recap what I talked about. I talked about why you need to be consistent in your posting. Number 2 is why you should be sharing valuable information. And number 3 is why you need to be transparent with your posting. Now, guys, I'm also going to have guest speakers here on my Sensational Speakers Lounge show from time to time. I'm trying to come up with something that I can do for the whole month of Black History, which is next month, February. So I'm thinking on it, guys. I really want to come up with something good, something inspiring, and something helpful for the month of February for Black History Month. And whoever just joined me, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining me. I can't see your name, but thank you for joining me here on the Sensational Speakers Lounge. Now, by following these tips that I just gave you, you can build and maintain a reliable reputation as a speaker on social media. Remember what I said: consistency, valuable information, engagement, transparency, and promoting your events are keys to building a loyal following and becoming a trusted speaker here on social media. And also make sure that you are engaging with people who come on your site and engage with you. And don't forget to download your free gift. Go to bit.ly speaker support. I think that's what it was, guys. I should know this. I should know this very well. But what is it? Anyway, the link is in the description, guys. So remember, I go live every Thursday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time here on the Sensational Speakers Lounge show. Thank you for watching. My name is Deborah Northcutt, your speaker support concierge. I'll see you next week on a Thursday at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Bye for now.